You want to play? Play with them. Play with her. Play with Coco. Yeah. Look. Look, what do you think? Smell the butt. Smell the butt. Come here. Come here now. Oh, little puppies. Puppies. Honey, it's okay. Candy scared. It's okay, baby. You want to see the puppies? Look at them. Just watch them from up here. Look at them. They're not scary. They're eating my toes. Can't see them. It's okay. We're just going to sit right here. Hey, look. It's coming to say hi. It's coming to say hi. Hey. Oh, it's smelling your butt. Everybody needs to smell each other's butt. Definitely. That's what dogs do. Candy, you want to see? Don't step on me. Are you scared of the puppy? What are they doing, Candy? Okay, Candy. Candy, it's okay. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. Well, so what is that? Say, what are you? It's okay, Candy. It's okay. Good girl. All right, come on. She wants to play. What are you doing, Candy? What is it doing? What is it? Is it playing? It's playing with you. Hey. Candy's what, a 10-pound dog? She's like 9 So they're just probably a few ounces. A half a pound. What is it, Candy? What is that? Candy, what is that? Looks like my next dinner party. That's only 4 points. With Weight Watchers, you can enjoy the food you really want. Dine out on favorites, or cook up something new. I can do this every day. Join for free and start losing weight now. Learn how to eat. Come here, Coco. Enjoying the foods you love and start eating come here. Online or Weight Watchers because it works. You want to see your Candy? You're about to do it. It's filming. Candy, come on. Come on. I won't let him get out. Come on, Candy. Come here. Come here. Look, 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 look. Candy. Candy. And even a free treat. Candy, she wants to play with you. Come here, Candy. Come here. So call or order online. Put her up on the couch. Candy, it's okay. Really, it's okay. Don't worry about me. America's #1 choice for satellite internet. My old connection just wasn't enough. Now I finally have a internet that works where I live. Now getting homework done is easier than ever.
Now my internet is so much faster. So is my bike.
Come here. No, come here and see me. She's swimming. Come on, Candy.
Get my feet in it, or I'll break your nose.
Candy, your feet are kind of out there. Candy, come give me some love.
I'll be mad if you put it on.
Look at him. Give him some loving. Look at him.
She won't sound.
She's okay. Give him some loving.
How can you tell if they're okay?
She's okay.
She's crying.